Well, fuck it. Risk it for the biscuit.
Working on the black bike today. I got some good stuff in store for the white bike. Hey Alexa, turn on the garage lights. Hey Alexa, turn on the garage lights. Oh. Damn. Yeah, so black bike. Stupid, but so I have this shit, this little spool, and you're supposed to be able to put the stands on there, but somebody, me, lost mine on this side. So see how there's nothing here. It's like the whole bracket broke off. So, but here's why I bring that up is we're doing the chain and sprockets on the black bike today. White bike is getting some goodies on Sunday. And this place is a fucking disaster. Goddamn. But yeah, so because of those spools are broken, I had to buy this special stand that's got like these little L-shaped things that sit underneath the swing arm. And I mean, it's been pretty stable. I haven't had any issues with it, but yeah, just kind of fucking stupid. But, and then today, at some point, I was supposed to go on a ride with High-Speed Hayden, and he was gonna ride the black bike and then test ride the white bike because he's never been on a roll race bike before, or a Gixxer actually in general. So trying to convert him over to a Gixxer instead of a R1. Probably not gonna happen. That's okay. Not everybody has good taste. I'm kidding. Don't hate me. So I got the chain off. Honestly, for how long I had it on there, not bad. Started to bind up a little bit. And my fucking front sprocket was not quite hand tight, but was not tight enough. But I mean, I got a fucking mess. So this is something I discovered, as you can see right here. I don't know if you'll be able to read that. That says 42. That means that this sprocket is a 42 tooth. Stock for Gixxers, or 17 plus Gixxer thousands, is a 45. I didn't realize that I had put a 42 on here, which makes sense why it felt like less jumpy, and I didn't realize that. So I bought a 44 thinking I was gonna make it even less jumpy. So now it's gonna be crazy fast, well, crazy quick, and it's gonna wheelie like fucking nuts. So yeah, that's fun. The chain I got is really good. This is a DID VX3. That is a fucking solid chain. I got gold because I wanted it to match the aesthetic of the bike. But man, I would love to lower this bike, but it is the daily, and I do enjoy doing wheelies, and if you lower it, like, that shit's cooked. So gonna keep working. This took a lot longer than I thought I was going to, and I've done it before, but I did it at my old apartment where I had no idea what I was doing. Now I know what I'm doing, and I'm kind of thinking about it as we go. I made sure to break the front sprocket loose first while the chain is still attached, and then broke the chain, got the sprockets loose, the other sprocket's off, the newest one is on, and then should be able to put everything back together. Done, hopefully. Chain is done. Had a little quick stop for some Coke Zero, simple sugar. I mean, it looks pretty good. Gold chain again. Doesn't have too much slack. It's definitely gonna stretch. So I kind of left a little bit, had to tighten that front sprocket. So we're doing a 1744, which is gonna be slightly more aggressive than the white bike, which is a 1641, which equates to roughly 1641 is like 1743 and a half. So it's gonna be a little bit more aggressive, which is good because I like the wheelies. And I think with the 42, it was just not, I mean, it was less aggressive, which is good because it makes it smoother. But it was kind of lazy actually. So I think with the 44, it should be pretty good. I guess we'll see. I'm kind of scared actually, because Hayden said we're gonna meet up today. He's gonna come ride probably the black bike first, but I don't know how the black bike feels yet. So I don't know which one I want him to ride first. Little white bike, this is the race bike, and good old Phantom. The one that started this whole channel. And I just found out that my YouTube has been up. I don't know if it's like me posting videos, because it doesn't feel like I've been posting for a year. But I got my birthday, my YouTube birthday, so that's kind of cool. I don't really have anything planned. Maybe this will be like my birthday thing where I've been posting for a year. I get to meet up with High Speed Hayden, go ride, maybe make him like the Jig Series, we'll see. They are kind of like bare bones though, so like, and he came from a BMW. So having like heated grips and cruise control and a difference between stability control and wheelie control and traction control, because this all just has one setting of traction control and rider modes. That's it. So like pretty bare bones, but hopefully it goes pretty well. I'll be recording from my perspective, so I'll see you guys in a little bit.
And this is my first time with a fucking 44 sprocket on the rear, so we'll see how this shit works. Yeah, I gotta take it a little easy. They're a little rough, huh? Come on, bus. Skirt. Yeah. I think most people, they use the rear brake a lot, so it's hard for them to like get used to it. Yes, sir. I like it. Yeah, I think it's more comfortable for me, but everybody has their own opinion. Yeah. Yeah. So once we get onto the highway, just put it in second gear and just fucking give her a rip. She might come up a little bit, but I doubt it. You're probably not gonna give her enough. Well, yeah, and you know how to wheelie, so you'll be fine. I don't know, bro. Like when that shit's strapped, it's like half an inch off the ground. Like the headers are right there. I told you, it might not be the fastest bike you've ever ridden, but it's definitely the quickest. Yeah, it's just quick. Alright, so Sempre Vive Road. Look at this, we got High Speed Hayden on the fucking race bike. Boom! He's gonna be a fast boy now. Yeah, now I just need to get, so the stretch, I'm gonna paint it myself, so I'm wondering if I want to do blue or white. I think white would look really cool, but keeping it clean is gonna be a fucking pain. And then, yeah, exactly. And then I've got the Busa fender, but I have to paint that white, so it should get like the arrow down to like right here. Yeah. And then, so no headlight, no tail light soon, but then I'm dropping like another like 4 or 5 pounds. But yeah, I haven't weighed it, but I mean, the cut tank, yeah, how do you like the no seat? Yeah, it's really not too bad. That doesn't surprise me at all. You'll see that shit in Vegas, bro. I don't think I'm there yet. I think we went to do these shoots with Sandman and Pacific Rising, and they both tried, and they're both like pretty big guys, and so they both tried to do it, and it was too heavy, and I was like, all right, that makes sense. I can get a lightweight subframe, which will just basically like, this part is like way thinner. It's like that big. carbon wheels, ceramic wheel bearings. And then literally, like, there's some guys who go through the entire wiring harness and pull out the stuff that they don't need. I don't know if I'm going to get there. That's a little far. Exactly. Exactly. His shit's cooked. I don't know what's going on with his bike. Like, all the BMW guys, bro, they're all having issues. I was like, it wasn't my dream bike, but after seeing everybody struggle with their shit, and I beat the fuck out of that black bike, dude. That thing has taken so much abuse. Yeah. I'm hoping, man, like, I'm really hoping that I don't have to replace any motor parts. Like, so far, I've been good. I need to do the valves on that bike, but it shouldn't be that bad. And then this one, I mean, realistically, I should never have to replace the fucking valves. This shit doesn't ever get ridden.
Yeah, that's true.
But, I mean, yeah, it was ripping, huh? Shit's... Yep. Yep, yep.
This thing just instantly goes, and it's linear. It's so linear.
It's literally just...
That's what I'm saying. It reminds me of the old ones, like totally linear graphics.
Mm-hmm.
Like a big top end.
Yep. God damn. That shit gets it. Yeah, bro, this thing fucking moves. Like, I should not be able to keep up with you. Just under, it's like tucked under here, and you just press it, and it loosens it. Yeah. Yeah, literally. I think I need my key, actually. Got the little fob. You got some fucking big ass tires, buddy.
35.
God damn. God damn, that shit's loud. Hell yeah.